Looking your best is not about conforming to fleeting trends or unattainable beauty standards. It's about presenting the best version of yourself to the world. This involves cultivating inner confidence that radiates outward. When you feel good, you look good. This guide will delve into practical steps you can take to enhance your appearance and boost your self-assurance. It's about maximizing your natural assets. We will explore grooming, style, fitness, and most importantly, attitude. Remember, true confidence is not about arrogance, it's about self-respect and belief in your abilities. This journey starts from within. By focusing on both internal and external factors, you can achieve a harmonious balance. This will allow you to navigate the world with poise and self-assurance. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Discover the power of looking and feeling your best. Grooming is the cornerstone of a polished appearance. It's about presenting a well-maintained image to the world. A good grooming routine goes beyond just appearances. It reflects self-respect and attention to detail. Start with hair care. Find a hairstyle that complements your face shape and lifestyle. Regular trims will keep your hair looking neat and healthy. Next, focus on skin care. Cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize daily to maintain a clear and vibrant complexion. Don't neglect your facial hair. Whether you prefer a clean shave or a well-groomed beard, maintain it meticulously. Oral hygiene is equally important. Brush, floss, and use mouthwash regularly for fresh breath and a confident smile. Finally, pay attention to your nails and hands. Keep your nails trimmed and clean. Moisturize your hands regularly to keep them soft and presentable. Remember, grooming is an ongoing process of self-care that demonstrates your commitment to looking and feeling your best. Dressing well is an art form. It's about expressing your personality and presenting yourself in the best light possible. The key is to find a style that suits your body type, lifestyle, and personal taste. Invest in well-fitting clothes that flatter your physique. Start with wardrobe essentials. A few pairs of well-tailored trousers, high-quality shirts, and a classic blazer. These versatile pieces can be dressed up or down for various occasions. Choose colors and patterns that complement your skin tone and hair color. Pay attention to details. Accessories can elevate your outfit. A stylish watch, a pocket square, or a statement tie can add a touch of personality. However, avoid over-accessorizing. Keep it simple and elegant. Remember, dressing well is not about following every trend. It's about developing a personal style that exudes confidence and sophistication. When you dress well, you feel good about yourself. This inner confidence will radiate outwards, leaving a lasting impression on others. Looking your best extends beyond grooming and clothing. It encompasses your physical presence. Maintaining good posture and taking care of your physique are essential components of a confident demeanor. Stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high. Good posture exudes confidence and vitality. It also improves your physical well-being by aligning your spine and improving circulation. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight and improving your physique. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's running, swimming, or weightlifting. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. A balanced diet is equally important. Fuel your body with nutritious foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Remember, a healthy body supports a healthy mind. By taking care of your physical health, you'll not only look better but also feel more energized and confident. This will enhance your overall presence and make you stand out in a crowd. Section 5. The importance of scent. Hygiene and fragrance. Personal hygiene is paramount when it comes to making a good impression. It's not just about appearances, it's about respecting yourself and those around you. Maintain a regular showering routine using a quality soap and shampoo. Pay attention to oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss regularly. Use mouthwash to keep your breath fresh. Clean and trim your nails. These small details can make a big difference in your overall presentation. Choosing the right fragrance can also enhance your appeal. A subtle, pleasant scent can leave a lasting impression. Experiment with different colognes or perfumes to find one that complements your body chemistry and personal style. However, remember that moderation is key. Avoid overdoing it with fragrance, as it can be overwhelming to others. A light touch is all you need to make a positive impact. Personal hygiene and a well-chosen fragrance are essential elements of a confident and attractive individual. Section 6. Cultivating confidence, a journey inward. True confidence stems from within. It's about believing in yourself, your abilities, and your worth. While external factors like grooming and style can enhance your appearance, true confidence is an inside job. Start by identifying your strengths and accomplishments. Focus on your positive qualities and celebrate your successes. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Step outside your comfort zone and try new things. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Each experience, whether successful or not, contributes to your personal development. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Distance yourself from negativity and those who bring you down. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Cultivating confidence is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. As you develop your inner confidence, you'll notice a positive shift in your demeanor and how others perceive you. Section 7. Mastering the art of communication. Confidence extends beyond physical appearance. It encompasses how you interact with others. Mastering the art of communication is crucial for conveying your thoughts and ideas with clarity and self-assurance. Practice active listening. Pay attention to what others are saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Ask clarifying questions and show genuine interest in their perspectives. This demonstrates respect and fosters meaningful connections. Speak clearly and confidently. Maintain eye contact, use appropriate body language, and articulate your words effectively. Avoid filler words like and like, which can undermine your message. Be assertive but not aggressive. Express your opinions and needs respectfully while considering the perspectives of others. Learn to disagree constructively and find common ground. Remember, communication is a two-way street. By honing your communication skills, you'll navigate social interactions with grace and confidence. You'll be able to articulate your thoughts effectively and build stronger relationships. Section 8. Navigating criticism, grace, and resilience. Criticism is an inevitable part of life. How you handle criticism, however, can make all the difference in your confidence and personal growth. Instead of viewing criticism as a personal attack, embrace it as an opportunity for learning and improvement. Listen attentively to the feedback being given, even if it's difficult to hear. Try to understand the other person's perspective and the reasons behind their criticism. Ask clarifying questions if needed. Respond with grace and composure. Avoid getting defensive or argumentative, as it will only escalate the situation. Thank the person for their feedback, even if you don't agree with it. Reflect on the criticism objectively. Is there any truth to it? Can you learn something from it? If so, use it as an opportunity for personal growth. If not, let it go and move on. Remember, not all criticism is created equal. Some criticism is constructive and helpful, while other criticism is simply unkind or unwarranted. Learn to discern between the two and focus on the feedback that can help you grow. Section 9. Conclusion: a confident you. Looking your best is an attainable goal for everyone. It's not about achieving some unattainable standard of perfection, but rather about presenting the best version of yourself to the world. By focusing on grooming, style, fitness, and most importantly, inner confidence, you can enhance your overall appearance and radiate self-assurance. Remember that true confidence comes from within. It's about believing in yourself, your abilities, and your worth. While external factors like grooming and style can boost your confidence, lasting self-assurance stems from a deep sense of self-acceptance and self-love. Embrace the journey of personal growth and self-improvement. Continuously strive to learn, grow, and become the best version of yourself. As you cultivate inner confidence and project it outwards, you'll notice a positive shift in how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. So go ahead, embrace the power of looking and feeling your best. The world is waiting to see the confident, radiant you.